Imagine two race cars at the starting line, one with a turbocharged engine, the other with a futuristic electric motor. Both are built for speed, but which one will win the blockchain race? Welcome to the ultimate speed test between Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, and Solana. Today, we'll break down what makes each one fast, how they work, and why it matters for the future of crypto. But first, why does blockchain speed even matter? Well, it's the difference between waiting in a long checkout line and breezing through with no delay. In crypto, speed means better user experience, more real-world uses, and a shot at replacing traditional finance. When we talk about blockchain speed, we are really talking about three things: transactions per second, latency, and finality. Think of TPS as how many people can check out at once, latency as how long you wait, and finality as the moment your payment is locked in for good. Traditional blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are like old highways, secure but slow and crowded. ICP and Solana are building superhighways for the future. Let's start with ICP. Its big idea: turn the entire internet into one giant decentralized computer. ICP uses something called subnets. Imagine thousands of parallel highways, each handling its own traffic but all connected. When one subnet gets busy, ICP just adds another, so it can scale almost infinitely. That's how ICP can handle over 1,000 transactions per second right now, with a theoretical max over 200,000. ICP also has zero user fees. Instead of you paying for every transaction, the app developers cover the costs, like going to a restaurant where the chef pays for your meal. And when you change data on ICP, your transaction is final in just 1 to 2 seconds. That's faster than most online payments. Now, let's look at Solana. Solana's secret weapon is called proof of history. It's like giving every transaction a cryptographic timestamp before the network even agrees on it. So everything moves in perfect order, super fast. Solana can process thousands of smart contracts at once, thanks to something called C-level. Imagine a computer with thousands of processors working in parallel. In practice, Solana handles over 1,000 user transactions per second with a theoretical max of 65,000. And transaction fees usually less than a penny. And here's the kicker: Solana's upcoming Alpenglow upgrade could bring finality down to just 100 to 150 milliseconds. That's faster than most centralized payment systems. So, which is actually faster? For raw capacity, ICP edges ahead with higher theoretical limits and unlimited scaling. For user experience, Solana's confirmations are lightning quick. And with Alpenglow, it could be the fastest major blockchain by 2026. But here's the real winner: us. Because competition drives innovation, and innovation is making crypto finally ready for mainstream adoption. In the real world, ICP is powering entire websites and apps that run fully on blockchain. No Amazon Web Services needed. Solana is the go-to for DeFi trading, NFT markets, and even payment systems. Visa is already using Solana for some payments, and both networks are just getting started. ICP is working on chain fusion, connecting directly to Bitcoin and Ethereum without risky bridges, and diving deep into decentralized AI. Solana's roadmap is all about speed, scale, and new features for developers. So, are you Team ICP or Team Solana? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you understand blockchain speed, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto education that actually makes sense.